Imagine programming life the way I program a video idea. That's biotechnology, using living cells and their machinery to solve problems. Sounds huge because it is. Let me break it down, fast. If I could give you super yeast that brews medicine, crops that shrug off drought, and bacteria that eat pollution. Would you try it? That's not sci-fi. That's today. Biotech is any tech that leverages biology, DNA, proteins, cells. We read code with sequencing. We write code with tools like CRISPR, molecular scissors that edit genes. Then we grow results in bioreactors, steel tanks where cells work like tiny factories. Think of it as software, but the computer is alive. mRNA vaccines taught our cells to practice against a virus. Gene therapies fix faulty instructions that cause rare diseases. Engineers are brewing insulin, cancer-fighting antibodies, and even printing tissues to test drugs without risking human lives. Precision breeding and gene editing creating stronger crops. Rice that survives floods, corn that needs fewer chemicals. Fermentation makes dairy proteins without cows. Plant-based or cultivated meat cuts emissions while keeping taste on the plate. Microbes digest oil spills. Microbes breaking down toxic waste. Engineered enzymes are chewing up some plastics, turning trash into raw materials. Spider silk-inspired fibers. Lab-grown leather. Enzymes that clean clothes in cold water to save energy. Cheaper DNA synthesis means faster prototyping. AI helps design proteins like we design apps. And biofoundries automate experiments so ideas scale from a petri dish to a planet. But ethics matters. We need safety, transparency, and access so breakthroughs help everyone, not just a few. So here's the challenge. Pick a problem. Health, food, climate. Imagine a living solution. Drop your wildest, most helpful idea in the comments. If it could be grown, coded, or brewed, I want to hear it. The future isn't just built, it's bioengineered.